All right, today I want to do a video on this little adapter piece here. So what it does is it allows you to fill these little 1 pound propane tanks up from your gas barbecue grill tank. I just got back from a camping trip and we used several of these, and these are, if you buy 2 of them, it's like $9 a piece. So once they're empty, you can use this adapter and refill them. So today that's what we're going to do. This little adapter you can buy from Amazon, and it's like $8.25 for this one. It just make sure your tank's closed. It just screws onto the tank like this. It screws on counterclockwise. Okay, get that on. And then you take your propane tank and you just screw this on. Snug. You turn this upside down. Like that. And then open up your valve. And then you hear the gas exchanging to the other tank. Now, the one thing that you want to do before you transfer this is put these in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and that will help the exchange go faster. All right, so we no longer hear the gas moving into the tank. So make sure that you shut your propane off. Flip that back around. All right, so you flip this over, make sure that it's off, and when you go to take this propane tank off, there'll be a little bit of pressure in there, so you just have to expect that. There you go. And then so there you have it. Now you've got a full 1 pound propane tank off of your barbecue grill. One of the good things about doing it this way is that you're not filling up the landfills with these. It's cost effective to do it this way, and these aren't ending up in the landfills. So, all right, so thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I've got another video coming out. And as always, I really appreciate your support to the channel. Have a good day.